looking at the S&P, a little bit of a gap down, and then sold off. So this is why I had these zones highlighted. And I was actually a little bit more shocked that we got above it, but anyway, we're right back here, playing the back and forth game. So back to what I was originally stating before we started jacking around with this, because for a while there, since we didn't really reject, I thought we were gonna break through. Back to my original plan of we're probably gonna play the back and forth game right here. Looking at the NASDAQ. Now this is one I went short this morning, so shout out to I went short yesterday, and then we got the gap down. That was awesome, and then I went short again today this morning. The overnight chop got me out of that position. Went short again. I know quite a few followed on that trade, so shout out to you guys on that NASDAQ short. Wasn't a bad trade. But right now, here's the two big yellow zones. We dropped down to that, just the speed bump zone. It's kind of what I expect. Found a few buyers, and maybe we play the back and forth game. As of right now, this is a nothing week. I don't know. And again, Powell was the most of our fireworks this week. The markets are closed Friday. Not a lot of volume, so I don't think we do anything this week. But if we were to find out we're playing chicken with China for real and it's not just a rumor, we're coming down to this yellow zone to start the party off. I'll put it that way. So still looking for that. Depending on how we hit this yellow zone, really depends on if I'm buying right there. Even intraday trade for a bounce or anything like that. Given the circumstance, again, we could just be getting warmed up, and at that point, I might even look to go short for the break of that. As far as the expected moves, we've done nothing. We're well within our range. Looking at Grandpa Dow, did break the zone today. So there is a little, we'll chart out here just so everyone has it. A little speed bump zone right inside here. Call it speed bump zone. Color it blue for a reason. Kind of where you expect the turbulence. Could be a reversal, more likely not. If there's ever a knife catch play for me, it's a yellow zone, not really the blue zone. Blue zones for me are, I move up my stops. Maybe I take that as a time to add on to a position. Think it's going to go yellow to yellow. Everyone playing the W. One day, just not today.